Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Mother and the Queen Are True, chapter 35. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shisan Ning, Queen Jiangshu. The two of them still flashing her face. It was a rapid heartbeat. Well, Jiangshu feels that she was really unqualified. Oh, this queen. What a poor little queen right now. Has always been teased by the queen mother. I don't make any resistance, no matter how my sister tried. I didn't feel anything. It's just that my body is naturally more sensitive than the others. Right now, she's trying to say to the queen mother, physical problem is not my fault. Oh, it really makes sense. Queen Mother Sishaning seems to be surprised, sensitive. Yeah, then try a few more times. Oh, this is crazy. Now she's get this again. It's easy to tell whether it's because of the body. Well, right now she's having an alibi. But, of course, she was really shy, her face still turning red. Said to the Queen Mother, well, finally, the two of them. It's a long night, and maybe the poor little queen led this all night by the Queen Mother itself. Next day, Queen Changshu seems to be wakened early. Bird is chirping. She opened her eyes. She was kissed by the crazy lady last night. Oh, Queen Shishaning right now, she opened her eyes. Said to her, what do you want it again? Now, she really wanted to tease her, and it was really early in the morning. Well, Queen Jiangshu said she want to, but it's obviously all on her mind. Well, she's getting crazy. But right now, Queen Shizaning, be good. Now is not the time. Let's change the clothes quickly. Oh, at least, finally, Queen Shizaning, she got really serious. Today, you will went to the court with Aisha. Now, it really surprised her. Everyone is notified the new emperor ascended the throne. The foreigners were unstable. The Goryeo was the most arrogant. Oh, everyone seems to be fallacious. They've been gossiping. Not the conqueror Goryeo. Now, can we declare our great sea national prestige to secure the border? Everyone in the palace hall is talking around. The two queens right now. They've been sitting there and listening to everyone. Well, could it be that Queen Mother right now has already a plan, especially the young emperor? It's because the new emperor ascended the throne, the country's power was being unstable. We should not be in a hurry to go to the war of Rome. Look at them, look at the three of them. Right now, all our eyes are on the ministers and so on. Because the new emperor ascended, but of course, right now, Queen mothers want to proclaim something. Still, the Sea family power is too low. Maybe there will be a chaos. That's why they need to take care of it. What do you mean? I think we have civil strife now. No wonder the tips of Goryeo were able to eliminate people inside the palace a few days ago. Ah, I don't have this, but the meaning, just that the conquest of the Goryeo is a big deal. I would also like to hear opinions of the Queen Mother and the Queen Mother itself. Oh, right now, the little queen, Queen Jiangshu, she seems to be surprised. Well, this is the first time asking her opinion. Or she don't know what to answer right now. Of course, it was the handles of the Queen Mother itself. Well, looking at her situation. Okay, the A family also want to hear what my sister thinks. Oh, this is it. How can she answer the question of the ministers? Hey you guys, are you counting on me? Eliminate Shishaning. Oh, what a truth little queen right now. Of course, she don't want to make arguments with Shishaning right now. That's why she's been straight to the point. Empress Dowager is wise. Follows the lead. Hey, if you want to object, you should speak out yourself. What's the point of always wanting to push the others out of a shield? Well, everyone in the minister seems to be surprised. They didn't know that the Queen Mother is really brave, also courageous. Right now, one of the ministers seems to be getting angry. Of course, they want to quarrel the two Queen Mothers, so there's chaos in the palace, but right now, looking at the young emperor, now, he's been calling the opinion of the little emperor. Well, this is not good. Well, this minister is always provoking. The 5-year-old child may be exhausted. The minister is looking into him. And the poor little emperor right now, he kept himself silent. Of course, this is the trivial matter, and he was still young. Maybe he can really answer for now. But, Dad, don't you help viewer if you really made those guys guns? Oh, it turns out it's the father of Queen Mother Seasoning. Koryo's small country refused to pay tribute, refused to be a vassal, and even repeatedly disturbed by our own borders. Right now, the ministers are talking. Well, right now, is really getting angry. Of course, the little emperor is her children. And now, they being slandered. Filial piety comes first among all good deeds. This is the motto left by our ancestors. Well, guys, are you really intolerable? Oh, the young emperor is speaking right now, and it really makes sense. 5-year-old children. Kind of note. Of course, those ministers, especially on politics, now they've been eager. The young emperor to being eliminated on her throne. Right now, the emperor, intolerable. Well, they really are. All of them, the ministers, really crazy. Been really pushing the little emperor. He was obviously a crybaby before. He seems to change a lot. Seasoning those Liang Yu to cultivate a puppet emperor to start to show his talents on such an age. He was really great teacher. That's why in Shishaning right now, she was calling Jiangsu. Her father is indeed a good teacher. Queen Mother Shishaning said to her, well, the story is getting better. Thanks to the new member. Thank you for supporting Chantal Salazar. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can support by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!